Okay, it's Christmas time again, and now I'm going to do a really quick recipe to help you out on Christmas Day, just on the side roasted veg. So, first of all, we're going to just rinse off our roasted veg. Keep them all together for now. So now we've rinsed off our veg, all we're going to do, we're going to leave the skins on, we're not even going to peel them. Plenty of vitamins in both of them. So what we'll do is 2 separate trays. You can save space, you could always put them in one tray. We've got the option to use 2 trays. So all I'm going to do is take off the top and the bottom, cut it in half, and that's it. Put it into our tray. Okay, so first of all, we'll sort out the parsnips. So we'll have a bit of olive oil. You can use butter, sunflower oil, whatever you've got to hand. We're going to add some crushed garlic. Just chuck that in just with the skins in as well, doesn't matter. Some rosemary with this one as well. Chuck all that in and then just give that a good mix. And now onto the carrots. Dress it with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to change the flavours here. We're going to use some thyme. I think thyme works very well with carrots. We're also going to just add a bit of orange juice. Try not to get it all over myself. And then also about 1 tablespoon of honey. So that might be too much, about a teaspoon of honey. There we go. So actually, we're going to put some honey with the parsnips as well. We can prepare all this the day before, cling film it up, put it in the fridge, and it's all ready to go the next day for the big event. You just need 180 for 45 minutes. Okay, so the parsnips are all cooked. The carrots are all cooked. So we can just place these up. And there's the carrots, all caramelised, both with the honey all over as well. There we go. And just squeeze that over the top. Okay, so there's just one of the pieces to add to your table on Christmas Day.